All right, everyone. So today we will be learning how to make an origami dog. To do this activity, we're going to start with a piece of A4 paper, so a normal piece of paper. And first, you want to fold it in half. Make sure that the corners fit. After completing that, you will need a pair of scissors to cut it right through. After the page is cut, fold a small corner of the smaller page to make a triangular shape. And you see this line here. You also want to fold that. So then you will get a square shape. Get your pair of scissors and cut it right out. And there you have it, a perfect square. Now you want to make sure that the opposite corners are matched up so you form another triangle. You will get this X shape on your paper and you will want to drag all your corners to the center. You're doing a great job. And now you have a smaller square. Afterwards, you want to open one of the sides and you bring the corner to the center of the smaller square that you see. Let the lines guide the way, and then you fold it back in. And on the opposite side, you'll want to drag the corner halfway through so you get the tail of the dog. And then you want to fold it through. And you make this rectangular shape with a triangle popping out. Afterwards, you will want to bring the triangle out and then diagonally fold it towards the tail. And bring the triangle back in. Flip it and do the same for the other side. Remember, towards the tail so that both sides are equal. Fold the triangle back in. Now after that, you'll want to lift the small part of the page out so you can get the face of the dog. See, you can already see it. And now you just need to grab your pen, pencil, or marker and mark the nose and eyes. Remember to do it on both sides. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.